had to rate Mangalore's current IT scene out of 10 and the expected IT scene like in 5 to 10 years, how much would you rate it? Currently and in 5 years?
I think now it is maybe around 5, 6 growing, and in 5 years time maybe it will reach 9.9. Yeah, because I think there is enough potential is there. We need to make it happen.
If you had to give 3 top main pointers of why Mangalore is going to be the next Silicon Beach, why would it be? Like, give me good 3 pointers.
First thing is the talent, the culture, and the hospitality.
Another question. So now, can you rate current IT situation in Mangalore?
10 out of 10.
And one word about this event that you had today.
It was amazing.
As you were in the panel, right? So along with you, if you wanted to have anyone else in the panel, who would it be? Like anyone?
That's an interesting question. Maybe Sundar Pichai?
Oh, that's good. Okay, and how would you expect the next 10 years? How would you rate Mangalore's IT scene to be like out of 10?
Maybe 8?
Even? Yeah, 8.
I think it's reasonable now.
Yeah, it's reasonable. It's realistic. Yeah. So, give me top 3 reasons why Mangalore would be well positioned to be like a Silicon Beach.
First one, Silicon Beach, is because of the kind of natural ecosystem that is there. So it's work and life and the balance that you get here. The talent have some of the best talent emerging from this region. Plus, at the same time, a lot of emphasis around loyalty, the hustling culture that we have, and also the business mindset that Mangalore brings in. So those are the top 3.
Again, second question would be if you wanted to have anyone else with you in the panel, anyone, who would it be?
Pragya Mishra.
Why?
Because she is the only Indian lady in the OpenAI team, and we are talking about deep tech in my panel, so would love to have her.
Alright, so if you wanted to have anyone else with you in the panel, anyone, who would it be?
Little difficult question, but I think started with the TCS. That's where I started my career with. Maybe Ratan Tata would have been a very happy position to be with the co-panelist.
And then how much would you rate the IT scene of Mangalore in another 10 years?
I think it's around 9-10 should be able to grow that much because of all the eco space we have and the ecosystem we have with the colleges coming up and all the people around here. Definitely we have a very good capabilities to bring it up.
So 3 main pointers why Mangalore is the hotspot for upcoming IT.
I think one is the talent. All the engineering colleges and the education institutes with no other thoughts. That is the first point. Second, I think it's the ecosystem itself. You don't have to rush and the traffic and all this stuff. It's just very convenient to go. I just travel 8 kilometers in just 10 minutes every day one way, right? So if I talk about that in Bangalore, it is hours altogether. So that's the one. I think then the infrastructure to a greater extent. I mean, there is a lot of improvements can happen, but still it is a good position we are in.
So the question is, how much would you rate Mangalore's current IT situation and how much would you expect it to increase and rate that in 5 to 10 years at the moment?
Those are pretty quantifiable question. Mangalore's current, it depends on what perspective are we looking at, right?
Yeah.
If we look at it more in terms of the engineering understanding, I would say Mangalore is already at the top, right? We are definitely getting there. But if we talk about in the breadth, currently the ecosystem, like I would say, Mangalore is expanding. The ecosystem is building up in Mangalore. We are getting people back. A lot of people returning to Mangalore because of the ecosystem here. And not just that, it's also attracting non-Mangaloreans because of the way the city is shaped.
Yeah. So in another 10 years, how much would you rate it to be?
Maybe as the panel said, maybe there will be an electronic city of India in Mangalore. Mangalore on a scale in next 10 years would definitely go almost blind.